So first, I give a little bit background about what is Futibatinib. So Futibatinib, which has a brand name Leqvio, is an anti-cancer medicine approved in the United States to treat adults with previously treated, unresectable, locally advanced, or metastatic intrahepatic cholangiocarcinoma, or I will just say ICCA. It's a long name, and harboring fibroblast growth factor receptor 2, FGFR2, gene fusion, or other rearrangement. So this is a targeted therapy for the oncology field. So Leqvio was approved by FDA on September 30, 2022, under its accelerated approval program. So continued approval for this indication may be contingent upon the verification and description of its clinical benefit for confirmatory study. So my poster today is focused on a study, phase 1 study, which is open label single dose study to evaluate the effect of the hepatic impairment on the pharmacokinetic and the safety of the Futibatinib in adult subject. So the reason we conduct this study is because Futibatinib is mainly eliminated in liver. So therefore, a major important question was whether patient with impaired hepatic impairment, for example, mild, moderate, or severe hepatic impairment, does this patient need some dose modification for this indication? So our study results from our study showed that there is no clinical meaningful exposure difference was observed between subject with either mild, moderate, severe hepatic impairment and their corresponding health normal control group, which have normal hepatic function. So in other words, the data from this study would seem to indicate that there is no Futibatinib dose modification, dose adjustment are required in patient with hepatic impairment. So just provide some insight to how to handle the dose modification for patients with different magnitude of hepatic impairment.